Hi launchers, let's go over updating your profile. So if you go to the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this little avatar character. Click on that and then drop down to My Profile. That's going to populate this information box. Most of it is very straightforward, but there are a couple things that bear explanation. So you're going to get to the third line here, alias rep name, and probably wonder, what does that mean? It is related to our merge fields. Merge fields are a time-saving tool that will allow you to auto-populate information from the lists that you import, such as property address, details, the name of the homeowner, first name of the homeowner, or information from your profile settings here, such as first name. So alias rep name, when you type out a message and you populate that merge field, alias rep name, it's just going to add your first name to the end of messages for personalization. Company name functions much the same way, but for company name, you're going to want to use an abbreviation. And I'll give you a few reasons why here. If I changed it to this instead, Touchdown Home Buyers, there's a couple of reasons why that's not going to work. One, it is there are words which we call negative keywords. They're spam trigger words that the carriers block, and it may keep your message from getting through. Okay, so a word like cash gets blocked by all the carriers. We can't have that in there. So we want to avoid putting negative words into that company name merge field. The second reason is the character count. So you want to keep your messages short and sweet. And if you have a really long company name, that's just adding characters, and it could bump your message from one message to two in terms of how it gets sent out. And then the third reason is that you want to have, until you've initiated a conversation with that homeowner and you feel like you've built up some trust, you don't want to lay yourself out there too much and put your company name at the your actual company name at the end of all of your messages. Build trust first and then get to that point. So the safest way to do it is just to use an acronym. Okay, so in this case, CTHB or CTHB Inc. Whatever 3-4 letter combination works best for you, for your company, go with that. Email address is not going to be sent to any clients. That's just for internal record purposes. And then for your phone number here, and this isn't anything public facing, though it will give you easier access to your customer success manager, which will be beneficial to your business. And then for the time zone, you want to make sure that it is set to the time zone of your primary market. There's a couple of reasons for that. You just want accuracy in terms of sending out messages within your primary market when those are being sent. And also the drip automations are tied to your message send times. So we want to make sure that we're sending those out at high response times within the time zone of your primary market. So make sure that those are set correctly so that everything within the system functions efficiently and on time. Okay, that's it. Thank you.